Hello, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Lukman. Today we are looking at forex trading lessons for beginners. Uh, there are so many lessons to be learned for those who are just coming into forex trading or those who desire to go into forex trading. There are things you need to know, which I think I should bring to your notice before you go into it. But before further ado, let's go into it. One, you have to know that forex trading is is not a get rich quick syndrome. Forex trading is not something that anybody will tell you to bring your money today, you start today and you start earning today. No, forex trading is not a get rich quick syndrome. Is a business, is a trading, that's something that you have to really understand, learn and know how to do. Number two, forex trading is not gambling. It's not gambling. Somebody asked me the other time, forex trading, is it gambling? Is it like betting? I said no, forex trading is not gambling. You can see from the word forex trading. In forex trading, what you do is you trade the currency of one country to another. That is, currency is traded in pairs, like euro, USD. You buy one and sell the other. It is trading, it is not gambling. Then another one, number three, is that forex trading is not illegal. It is legal. That means it's legal. Forex trading is not illegal. You can do forex trading legally because it is legal. It is legal. Everybody do it. Even countries, international countries of the world do it. Then number four, there is no shortcut in forex trading. A lot of people look for shortcuts in business, and so many people have failed in forex trading because they are looking for shortcuts. Some of them are looking for holy grail. What can I do? How do I do it quickly? No, there is no shortcut. You have to go through the learning course. You have to learn it you go from beginner to intermediate, then to expert. It can take you so many years depending on how you can learn, but there is no shortcut. You have to pay the price. You have to learn. You have to learn and master it. Another point, the fifth one, is that forex trading is not for the rich alone. A lot of people think forex trading is for the rich people. Where can I get money to trade forex? It's for the rich. Truly, you need some capital to start, but it's not solely for the rich. There are brokers that allow you to trade for as low as $50, some $100, some $200. So it's not for the rich alone. What is so important in forex trading is not the money that you put, is the effort that you put. You must put in a lot of effort so as to achieve what the experts are achieving. Number six, the sixth one is that forex is not a scam. Forex is not a scam. It's not a scam. A lot of people think it's a scam. If I go into it, they will scam me. Surely you can be scammed if you don't do your due diligence, or if you are listening to the so-called guru who does not even know anything about forex trading, and they start telling you you can make 1 million in a day, you can make 2 million, then you can be scammed. But forex itself is a trading, is a legal trading, is legal, is not a scam. It's something that you do legally. It's not legal. All you need to do is do your due diligence and you go. There are so many people making money in forex trading. I'm also doing it. I'm making money. A lot of people are making money in forex trading. Another point is that forex trading is not simple. Don't let anybody tell you that forex trading is simple. It is not. Forex trading is not simple. And I repeat, it is not simple. Though forex trading, you can say, is easy, but it is not simple. It is easy in the sense that when you learn the nitty-gritty, then it becomes easy for you, that you can do it. And again, it is learnable if you are trainable. it is learnable, but you need to learn how to do it. That is when it becomes easy. It is when you know it that it becomes easy. But I have to tell you, it's not simple. There are so many things to learn. It's not simple. You can't just sit in your room and expect millions to start coming into your account. If forex is that simple, then everybody will have become a millionaire. Forex trading is not simple, but it can be easy. Then the last one I'm going to talk about is that forex trading is not for everyone. Anybody can trade forex. Anybody can trade forex, either big or small. A woman, a man, a foreigner, a local person, but forex trading is not for everyone. If you don't have the temperament to go into it, and you are not teachable, you are not coachable, then it is not for you, because it is the only business that I know that you continue to be a student for the rest of your life. There are so many places where you can learn forex trading, but forex trading is not for everyone. Don't think they are making it, I'll make it. You might go there. If it is not for you, then you will not make it. Before you go into forex trading, you have to be committed. You must have a goal that, yes, I want to do this and I feel I can do it. That is when you can go into it and succeed, but it is not for everyone. Though so many people are interested in forex trading, so maybe because of the money in it. A lot of people say, they are making thousands, they are making millions, so I can also go into it. Sure, it is profitable. It is very, very profitable if you know how, but it is not for everyone, because this is the only business that the principle of Gigo apply. Garbage in, garbage out. If you go there with the mind of greediness, then you are going to lose. If you go there with your emotions, you are going to lose. You have to go there with a plan. It's a business that you do with having a plan and a strategy. And all this boils down to the fact that you must learn properly. Please don't go into forex trading if you are not ready to learn. If you are not ready to go to the whole lot. There is no apasa training in forex trading. It's a business, and every business demands that you are busy at it. You put in your effort. It demands all your effort. So today I've been able to let you understand that forex trading is profitable, but there are lessons to learn before you go into it. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing now. Hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell, and press the notification bell so that when next I release videos like this, you'll be the first to notify. And before you go, I have some videos. I will be putting the videos up for you the next, so that you see what to learn next on forex trading. Until I come your way again, remain financially smart.